Are you a young person who wants to surprise their parents? Are you new to the kitchen world with no idea on where to start? Or are you a professional who was just curious about what this video would have been? Well, worry no more, because this is
Simple Recipes!
Let's begin by opening a can of steamed white beans. It's easier by inserting a blade or the thin handle of a fork. Once that leverage is made, one can just insert the thumb. Leave it only partially open to rip it easily. Let's drip the beans. Leave the can as shown. It'll keep dripping while the rest is prepared. Open the canned tuna in olive oil just like previously, but completely. Pour the whole thing in a bowl, including the oil. Squish the tuna with a fork, so to obtain a paste-like texture. Cut away dry and rotten leaves and roots from half an onion or a small one. Wash the onion well. Put a wet cloth on your countertop so the cutting board won't slide. Cut your onion in half. Then make the halves in slices of about half a centimeter, about 1/5 of an inch. Safety tip: keep the fingertips facing the board, not the blade. And remember, a sharp blade is a safe blade. Pour the onion inside the bowl. In case you notice you made too much onion, you can always wrap it up and store it in your fridge. Finally, add the beans to the bowl. Mix it up well. Time to serve. I suggest adding some oregano. If you enjoyed the video or want more
Simple Recipes!
leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Buon appetito!